Let me show you all the camera settings on the Google Pixel 10, 10a or 10 Pro. So for example, if you open your camera, so as you see, first you can change your photo or also video mode. And if you want to change any settings, you have two options. First, if you click this thing over here, these three lines here, that allows to quickly change, basically, see some manual settings, for example, for the brightness, shutter speed, ISO, okay, in the photo mode, for example. But if you click this icon here, I see you can also change perhaps, for example, this live photo, timer, macro focus, also the aspect ratio of the image. If you have the Pro phone, also you'll get more Pro features here as well. And if you click these three dots here, that opens basically all camera settings over here. So you can see, you can enable the location, like storage here, save for the storage, disable the framing hints. So I like to disable that. Also the grid type if you prefer that. Selfies if they are reverted or not. Guided frame. So you can quickly adjust the settings. Also what happens if you press your button here. Palm timer, so you can simply show your palm to the phone to take a selfie. HDR, frequent faces, astrophotography settings, for example. You can enable or disable the stabilization. So if you disable the stabilization, you get like a more picture in your frame. Audio zoom, I like to turn it off, it's terrible. Also, if you want to save your storage space here, timer light, this also is a good feature. It will simply like give you a warning if it detects your camera might be dirty and needs cleaning. So you see, yep. Okay, and also for example, if we switch to the video mode, then you see if you click these icons, well, these options change slightly. Again, in the video mode, well, you can enable the video boost here, so it will record in the 8K if you want to. Resolution, frames per second, this HDR, I like to leave it off. Some more settings. Also, the speech enhancement is very good, so it like improves your audio even further. So you see, at any time, if you want to launch the full settings panel in any mode, click this here, and you see it opens all the settings here. And you see you have the different modes. Night side, for example. I see in each mode, these like special mode settings change a bit. Slow motion, time lapse, so you see you can configure how it will get adjusted. Okay, also in the top here as well, also you'll see like some settings as well that you can quickly tap and access. If you, for example, if you have the speech enhancement on, it will display like this sign here. So to give you a quick indication, also it will display your resolution here. So just for your information, I guess. And this green light, I think it's for the microphone access. If the microphone is listening and recording, the green light will sound. Also, if you connect external microphone to this phone, so if you plug in external microphone in the video mode, there will appear a new feature here that you can toggle to use external microphone or not. So again, but you have to plug in first. Okay, like